I've been interested in machine learning for about 10 years or so. But I suppose it's reached further than that, where I've been interested in intelligence for 20 years. And so just naturally moving on to understanding it from a computer science point of view was very natural for me. I really enjoy the Computer Vision Journal Club at Robotics. It has amazing speakers, except for myself. Hopefully it will improve from here after me. And yeah, I'm really excited about what it's done already in the short time, the energy from the people, and I'm just excited to see where it's going. So I think a lot needs to be done in terms of initiative from government, and then also community. So the community doesn't have to wait for government to do anything. I'm just saying that would be an amazing thing to help it grow. But community is really what strengthens things. And so forming connections is super important beyond just learning knowledge. Sometimes you only know what you don't you only know what you don't know once you've spoken to people. So the more connections you form, the more people you interact with, the more you'll learn, the more you'll grow the entire community. The Computational Neuroscience Imbizo happens in January each year in Muizenberg, Cape Town, South Africa, and it brings 30 students from all over the world, primarily focused on African students, to learn more about computational neuroscience, how it's applied, and special techniques that it uses. And we bring amazing faculty, world-renowned, to come through and teach them, transfer the knowledge. And it's really after 3 weeks of intense learning, and of course fun, then you form a special bond. And I did it in 2017, now I'm involved in organizing it, and I'm still in contact with people. 2017 on an almost daily basis. We've organized the deep learning in Aerobotics, for example, with one of my colleagues that I met in 2017. So it's just formed an amazing community that helps strengthen computational neuroscience and has a very big machine learning flavor. And then the Raimondo Lab is an experimental neuroscience lab in Cape Town. We primarily focus on epilepsy and seizures and how to understand the mechanisms underlying that. So in an experimental lab, we record from individual neurons or groups of neurons, and we even have the capability of doing it in human brain tissue from people who have elected surgery already. And so we can actually record properties of human brain tissue in Cape Town. Yeah, it's awesome. They can go to Imbizo, imbizo.africa. That's the website. And then applications are open at the moment as well. So they can apply, and hopefully I'll see them in January. Ask questions, and if they can't find anyone with the answer nearby, spread further. So ask questions, and then with that build a community, build those connections and make it bigger, and make sure other people know the answer as well. Because if you were curious about it, if you were asking those questions, I'm sure someone else was curious too.